All right, kale chips, my new must-have. TiVo recipe, that is sensational. What else can you do with kale?
I know people can find kale in salads. A lot of the time it's raw, just like this. I find it's just so rough to eat, and it probably puts a lot of people off kale.
Yeah.
They never know what to do with it. All right, it's time. Let's put the kale into the hot water here.
Okay, we'll get it back on the gas. You know, natural gas is a safe, reliable and affordable energy source, and ATCO supply over 780,000 West Australian homes and businesses with natural gas.
Amazing. Honestly, very quick, Trevor, in the water.
What are we talking about? Minutes?
Oh, minute, 2 minutes. You can see the colour changing though.
Immediately.
So it goes from that light sort of green to a darker green. You don't want to lose too many nutrients by putting it in hot water.
Yep.
So yeah, it can come off.
There we go.
Perfect, lovely. Pull that off, cold water.
And we've talked about how good it is for you, but there's probably another thing, and that's living in WA where we're in a dry climate. This is one of those great vegetables that it doesn't need huge amounts of water for it to grow well in your backyard, which is good reason to grow kale.
Well, yours was so lush when you showed me the garden.
And that's pretty much
amazing.
watered 3 times a week. And you know the temperatures we're getting, right?
Yes.
So pretty
heat
tough.
wave. All right, so mine today is just a very simple salad with some kale. So we got some tomatoes. You can actually pair this up with the next dish that I'm cooking for you as well, you know. So we're going to keep that a secret for now. And then I just some herbs. So we picked some parsley earlier as well, didn't we? I just kind of pick off the leaves there. This is pretty much it for the salad. So I just put a bit of pepper, just to season it, some salt, just a little bit of olive oil.
A little bit of extra virgin West Australian olive oil.
Beautiful. And then I just, I'll pop this bowl up here. Lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Good for digestion, metabolism, that sort of stuff. So just whip it up very quickly.
Look at the colours.
It's super healthy.
The red,
so
the deep greens. Wow. I love a good fresh salad.
Your weapon.
Let's go. I know
see how the kale goes actually. Very simple.
Delicious. You don't need anything else with that.
That's what I thought. If you just want a really easy meal, detoxing, the extra virgin olive oil just has it gives a bit of grunt as well. So
we talked about that being, you know, accompaniment to a protein or something else.
Yes.
Do that. Pop it in a little container. Pop it in the fridge at work. You'll feel fantastic after eating that. It's delicious. Like I said, you've never disappointed me yet. Well done.
We still have one more, so we'll see how it goes.
Okay. All right.